Radio, it's haircut time again. I know I said I would do it again in a couple of weeks from my last video, and then it's been like 2 months, but time flies when you're having fun apparently. I've just been down the beach today. My hair is really ratty and dry. My greys are really like coming through. So I'm going to give it a trim and then I'm going to dye it, and then I'll show you all the results since you seemed to like it last time. Yeah, just get rid of some of these ratty ends here, and maybe shorten the layers. We did the wolf cut thing last time, so maybe I'll do something like that again, but just take it shorter so that the layers at the front end up like here on my chin. But we'll do the cut and we'll see what we come in with. Yeah, just went and quickly wet it and brushed it straight. So now I'm just going to trim these ratty ends, and I don't have a mirror really in the bus, so right, and now I've sectioned it. I've done the bit from the ears, pulled forwards like a unicorn horn, and last time I was probably a little bit safe, so this time I want to bring it so the layers are like here, but when my hair is straight it's long, and then when it dries it'll poof up, so I'm still going to be a little bit cautious. Maybe here. Right, and now, oh, my camera's gone down. Do the back section, and I've just again pulled it to the top, all to the top, and then bring it forwards. And the key was to take off as much of this as I did off the front bit, which I think was like this much, which seems quite a lot, but we'll go with it. It's definitely shorter. Now just go and get my hairbrush and we'll do a few other little bits. So I watched a few more videos and they said to stop this like being dissociated or something. To like pull it around and just see if it all fans down, which it kind of does. I don't think I'm going to do anything with that. Maybe this one's a bit shorter. And then it said to take this bit here and comb it across. It's really hard to do without a mirror, by the way. And the same on the other side. I have no idea if I'm doing this step right or wrong, but it's done now. It'll always grow back if it looks horrendous, I guess. there you go. Now we'll just let it dry, and as I've said before, no hairdryer in the bus, so I'm just going to sit in the sun for a minute and see what we end up with, and then when I get motivated, probably tomorrow now, I'll deal with some of these greys, because there's heaps in there. When I started brushing it, I didn't realise I had. So it's now been a few days since I cut my hair. I finally got around to colouring it this morning, and I like how it's all light, and the curls are sort of more defined in it. It is raining at the moment, so it's like super duper fluffy from the humidity, but yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with that. Grey's gone. It's definitely more layers in around my face. Looks good.